Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Just a quick update on the nursery. This is the tomato, right guys? Now it's starting to burn because there have been some slight dew rain, and whenever that happens it starts to burn. So I had sprayed it with some trivia, but as you can see they're still burning. Right now I don't know what to use to stop all this. So those black spots that you see right there, they're caused by the rain. So whenever the rain fall and doesn't get you don't get enough sunlight to dry the dew off the plant, they'll stay on it and waterlog. So what you're seeing right now is waterlogging on the leaves. So I hope it don't spread to the entire nursery. That empty patch right there, I have pulled out some yesterday that was very bad, but as you can see it's starting to come on these one also. So right now I don't know what to do to stop all this from happening, because I have sprayed it with trivia as they said, and trivia is a fungicide. So right now I don't know what to do, guys. So these ones over here are kind of healthy. So hopefully the trivia stopped it from burning like this. I'm gonna have to spray it again a little bit stronger and see what can be done. Over here now the pepper has peppered and burst, but not as good as tomatoes. So there's not much pepper sucker in here. There's not much pepper sucker at all. The seed didn't burst good, and then snail go ahead and cut down some, so I had to spray it with snail slug. So right now there's not enough pepper to plant on the land, but I'm gonna have to work with this. So I'm gonna have to spray this again, guys. And look how them they come up pretty, man. And they just start burning like this. I don't know. So keep watching for a update on this, if I manage to get this under control or if the bed just die off.